Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884.
Papa, me pacho yama watching Emma Wakwaba eba jumadi so.
Oh, Prophet, I bet you so official pan subium. I hope so. Oh, yeah.
Papa, me pacho otiminka.
Metonka pa.
Emo medasi. Yanko.
Otiminka.
Me pacho you.
Good.
Na me pacho ohoti saying.
Yehowa dom me hoye na moso
Nyame ashira yem papa.
Nyame
ashira yem. Ade achi. And then your 1st of February. Yesi bosumu mienunum ewa afinum. Entinde yeni aji say yenyaw na 1st February oba bebribi enyamani so edi achire yen. Ansa na mede papa beba no. Mame 1 minute na memma wo NCSC wo. NCSC wo adwene. Oba Facebook no so me pacho share, like and comment. Na yetete abetie no na kire say ni chemu ano no. Mame 1 minute meba.
This is our world. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Bernard Owusu, ye papa ba kope. Ena no pe ye ne betwetwe nkomo. Yanko papa we na yenko tie update a ɛwɔ hɔ na afei ntɛntɛm so no no yɛde ɛnɛ dwumadie no ahyehyɛ so ɛnɛ deɛ yɛbɛ compress nneɛma ama nneɛma akɔ n'ano pɛpɛɛpɛ na yɛtumi apɔ ntɛm kakra because bishop elect me wɔ dwumadie bi di ɛnɛ anɔpa yi nti yɛnkɔ papa hɔ papa mepaakyɛw yɛsama wakɔ aba bi mu anɔpa yi wadaroma
prophet me sa jimu nyina so anɔpa nyame de akyɛ yɛn a yɛtumi aba yɛdi dwumadi deɛ na aseda kɛseɛ na ɛkɔ yehowa nyankopɔn hɔ ɛne na sɛdeɛ ne kɛseɛ na nhyira ne mmɔborɔhu a ɔde ama yɛn asɛ si bosome foforɔ bosome yɛ ɔdɔ bosome nti BWF yɛde ɔdɔ ne ɔdɔ ana ɛba bɛbɔ ɔdɔm ama yɛn nyinaa anɔpa yi prophet na dwumadi a yɛbɛdi no na update no deɛ ɛyɛ bebree na yɛ topic no koraa nso na kyerɛ sɛ update na ɛde aba nti yɛbɛpɛ sɛ yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ update titiri a mpɛ sɛ mede ato dwa ne sɛ next week Tuesday na immigration health surcharge a ɛno no obiara yɛ application a otua sɛ woyɛ 2.5 na kyerɛ sɛ sika a ɛba bɛka ho no ɛyɛ £1,117 ɛno ɛbɛstarte next week Tuesday nti wowɔ application bi yɛ sɛ wofiri Ghana ɛreba sɛ wowɔ ha a woyɛ atena na wanyɛ no by Monday na nkɔka ɔmo nsa online by Monday a na kyerɛ sɛ wode wotua a wode 1,117 sɛna mo nyinaa mo nim no ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛntɔ yie but saa na ɔmo ahyehyɛ no yɛayɛ video akyɛ twi ne borɔfo sɛna wobɛtumi ayɛ wɔ application no ntɛm a even wade ne bɛwu mail koraa yɛse ɛnɛ yi a wotumi yɛ wɔ application no woyɛ no nnɛ ɛkyena Monday a woyɛ covered na kyerɛ sɛ da a wokɔbɔ wo nsa no na watwe no akɔ akyire kakra na afei atom ebiom prophet deɛ ɛba no yɛse 11th of March yi carefoɔ a ɛwɔ kurom ha no wɔntumi wɔmfa wɔ kunom wɔ yerenom anaa wɔ mma ɛmma na ɛno ana sɛbe nkyerɛkyerɛmu mfitiaseɛ no ɔmo kaa sɛ nka ɔmo wɔ ha no deɛ nka wei no mfa ɔmo ho but deɛ baeɛ no ɔmo amfa saa nkyerɛkyerɛmu no amba enti until sɛ ɔmbɛka biribi foforɔ no na kyerɛ sɛ obi ɔwɔ ha wɔ afei na wɔba no mo nyinaa ɛfa obiara ho ti ɛno ɛyɛ 11th of March a ɛno ɛɛba saa 11th of March ya mo a mowɔ care company mo nim sɛ care no ɛnyɛ mo nyinaa ana mowɔ biribi a yɛfrɛ no Care Quality Commission Registration CQC no sɛ woyɛ obi a wohwɛ vulnerable people a wo dispense medication a yɛ compulsory but sɛ wo dispense medication na no ane sɛ wokɔ akɔdware no ahohoro ne ho ama no aduane ayɛ sure sɛ wada anaa wakɔdi dwa ama no waboa no no waplane ne nneɛma a nka wohia CQC no but yɛse from the 11th of March no woni CQC a wontimi ntoa so nyɛ sponsor no ɛno nso afei nso from April yi a ɛbɛyi mo a mowɔ care company no aban de aba sɛ April yi wade no ewu from April a enwu biom yama mo 10 years obi ɔwɔ healthcare company biara no from April no sɛ wade no nwu ya wasan nya 10 years asan aka ho a ɛno ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ wutimi ɛfa nipa ɛhwɛ bibia na ɛno ɛyɛ ade a sɛbe ɛbɛboa ama care companies no ɔmotimi ayɛ ɛde aboa yɛ nuanom ama ɛno nso no adi mu 1st January etwa mu yi sɛ woyɛ student na wowɔ kurom ha na wontimi mfa wɔyɛ wukun anaa wo ba mma agye sɛ bia woyɛ PhD anaa doctorate anaa postgraduate a ɛyɛ research ebiom ade a ɛboa ne sɛ visitors visa no sɛsia from the 31st of January yɛ nnora no ɔmagum enti go ɔmagum ne sɛ woba ha on a visitor wotumi ɛyɛ adwuma a yɛfrɛ no remote work menka so wotumi bɛyɛ adwuma wɔ ha mesrɛ mo confusion na ɛkɔ out no mɔma yɛ nso ano yie yɛsɛ wowɔ ha a wotumi yɛ adwuma remotely nti yɛmfa nsɛ me wɔ office wɔ Ghana na maba UK a mɛtumi ayɛ me adwuma no a ɛwɔ Ghana no mɛtumi ayɛ wɔ ha remotely ebiom sɛ woyɛ lawyer a wotumi ɛba ha ɛbɛma advice about international law anaa biribi a ɛmfa UK law ho sɛ Ghana law wotumi bɛma from the 1st of February a ɛyɛ ɛnnɛ yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no ETA America will be yɛfrɛ no ESTA ESTA UK deɛ no wɔyi S na firim nti ɛyɛ ETA na ne tenten ne tie nyinaa yɛ electronic travel authorization eventually no ɛbɛ cover obiara but for now no ɛ cover by Bahrain Jordan Kuwait Oman Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates so we took kwan aba UK from the 22nd of February we have visa but we here ETA electronic way no we apply online na omo the amount from the 13th of February we key obi a wafa obi oyɛ adwuma ma oyɛ illegal biara no ye increase penalty no ye maso from 25,000 to 60 ɛno ɛyɛ ade a wɔsi ehwɛ ne yie pa because obi wɔ hɔ a na wonim sɛ ne yɛ employer checking service no na ne nti no wafa obi a sɛbe onni kwan sɛ ɔbɛyɛ adwuma ɛkyew a yɛsɛ maximum penalty ɛyɛ 60,000 yɛaka carers no yɛaka CQC but from the 4th of February from the 4th of April no deɛ ɛba ebiom ɛyɛ issues in relation to care for no sɛna mo nyinaa mo nim no skilled worker route no sesia no sɛ wonyɛ care anaa woni shortage occupation a yɛama 20% discount may explain it na kyerɛ sɛ wo pay no ɛnɛ no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ 26,200 but from the 4th of April no pay no kɔ 38,700 we cover chef IT for ɔmo administrators ɔmo certain jobs anka ɛno no pay na ɛwɔ sɛ wokyerɛ na 26,200 sisi ɛkɔ 38,700 the other problem no ɔmo bɛ abolish biribi yɛfrɛ no 20% discount to be here careful no nka mo pay no ɛyɛ £10.75 and then ɛyɛ going rate bi mu nso wɔ hɔ a ɔmo wɔ shortage occupation a yɛma wo saa discount no from the 4th of April ɔmo abolish saa de wei nyinaa awarefoɔ eku ɛyere mpena a ma twempena for 2 years no yɛse wode wo mpena ɛba a wode wo ku ɛba a wode wo yere ɛba from the 11th of April nkɛnɛ no ka wo show 18,600 wo be show 29,000 pounds 29,000 pounds na ensi hɔ from 29 no middle of this year no ombeku kura ko 34,500 ɛno nso nsi hɔ from early 2025 no ombeku kura ko 38,700 problem ne sɛ why no wo kromu ha ɔyɛ community member obetimi akyerɛ yɛn sɛ onya 29,000 ɔmo munya no ɔmo ndu 5%. Your estimate say we be affecting for 95%. Timi sramo uwo kun uwo yire. Sama uware fufro waha se ukofa naba. Se wanye before the 11th of April. So wanye before the 11th of April. Na sa di ba na untimi mfa wo yire ana ukun ana nintino untimi nkofa wo ba ma. Enye BWF fault and then Uncle Ben fault. Na kyerɛ sɛ dewura yɛabɔ yɛahyɛ da yɛ ho video ɛyɛ ne twi ɛyɛ no borɔfo sɛ na ɛbɛboa yɛ nuanom na ɔmate aseɛ akyerɛ sɛ ɛntwa yie. Na prophet, adeɛ a mepɛ sɛ obiara nso hyɛ no nso ɛne sɛ mo a mowɔ care no for now no ani aba mo ho. Mohwɛ a saa skilled route no yɛnka nkyerɛ obiara sɛ wontumi mfa wo kun wo yere wo ba ɛmba. Yɛsɛ careful adɛn. Deɛ nti ɛte saa no ɔmama statistics. Ba ɛnyɛ no nko a yɛwɔ issues wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ dealing with. Nti ɛnɛ one of the major issues ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛno ana ɛnɛ yɛba abɛbɔ ne dawuro. Nti prophet metoma.
Emo papa ajai ensɛm no mu de agu fam ama yɛn. Na anɔpa yi mebisa wo sɛ washare Facebook no waka kyerɛ wo nua bi sɛ papa ahwie nsɛm bi agu hɔ. Enti afe ne yɛbɛhyɛ ɛnɛ anɔpa yi dwumadie no ase. Enti nipa no ɔnyɛ den ontu Amerika na ɔmmra mmetie. Mamema papa 1 minute na wɔnom nsuo ɛmfamfa no minim ɛna watumi de nsɛm no abegu hɔ ama yɛn. Sɛ papa ɛgye 1 minute no aba no hyɛ no nso ɛyɛ BWF Solicitors 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters Landing N15 4NP. Hyɛ no nso mame papa address ɛna mede ato no BWF Solicitors 4th floor Anna House 1214 to 218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters Landing N15 4NP. Me pacho free office line is say ya embra papa egusu awodi nkomwe ebia na ya revoke o license no anase enkrata semi ho asema yedin asase bi ho asema aba aware semi ye pinso free na book appointment si ya 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 anase emergency contact number 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Mami 1 minute na me fa papa emreo anopay.
This is Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884.
Se ye jifri mi nsɛm a anase ɛho techema a anase ɛho ba asɛm a ɛdeɛn ɛna menye ɛdeɛn na metimi ayafa ho enti poto kasɛm no or say what should I do if my skilled worker sponsors license is revoked? Ɛdeɛn na menye se ye jifri mi nsɛm a ɛdeɛn ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ meyɛ papa papa me license no ye jifri mi nsɛm a ɛdeɛn ɛna ho ba asɛm a ɛdeɛn ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ meyɛ.
Your prophet na adia and I can see a bit discuss, subject a very real.
Yeah.
And normally, no, so won't say the topic be about not topic and idea affecting Crawford our community.
Mm.
And unfortunately, no, for a few months, Home Office are cranking up more compliance. Now, compliance, ane adeɛ a kyerɛ sɛ wɔrehwehwɛ adwuma wura no wɔrehwɛ ne nneɛma mu na case law mmienu nko ara na aba baako yɛ high court baako yɛ court of appeal na saa case law no fa sɛ revocation ho sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔbɛ revoke wɔ license no ɛne wɔ rights as a sponsor na emphasis no ɛnyɛ wɔn kura license no emphasis ɛnɛ no ɛyɛ wɔn yɛ adwuma ɛma wɔn kura license no nti yɛhwɛ yɛ sponsorship skilled migrant route na yɛ was 70 points a ɛwɔ sɛ wonya saa 70 points na ɛwɔ sɛ wonya no yɛhwɛ the skilled migrant guidance route and temporary workers route na guidance no ɛma point na ɛwɔ sɛ wonya no ɛwɔ sɛ wonya 70 nti bi yɛ 10 20 na ebi nso ɛyɛ 30 wɔkeka bɔ mu a ɛwɔ sɛ wonya 70 sɛ woanya saa 70 na kyerɛ sɛ eligibility requirement no wo meeti saa eligibility requirement no na kyerɛ sɛ wasetena wɔ ha no na aba awie supervisory regime a Home Office for wɔ a ɛno ana wɔde hwɛ point based system for anaasɛ adwumawurafoɔ a wɔkura adwuma a wɔgye nkurɔfoɔ nti mame use care for no ɛmfa nyɛ example ɛnɛ nti sɛ obi wɔ care company a na wafa sɛ bɛyɛ adwuma a wama sponsorship for 3 years or 5 years saa 3 years or 5 years no saa sponsorship na yɛde ama wo no ɛboa sɛ wo no wobɛkɔ so ayɛ adwuma na sponsor no nso akɔ so kura the license the license no nneɛma mmienu ana ebetumi asi ebetumi aba sɛ ɔma suspend no ebetumi aba sɛ ɔma downgrade no ebetumi aba sɛ ɔma revoke no saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa wei deɛ ɛde ba ne sɛ ebi a sponsor nankasa no ɔno amu no ɔmpɛ license no nti ɔde ama wo anaasɛ ɔma bɛhwɛ ne nneɛma mu ɔma hu 1 or 2 issues ɛwɔ na ɔmo hu yɛ no ɔma start investigation nti the first process no sɛ ɔmbɛ suspend nti wohwɛ saa skilled migrant and temporary migrant guidance route part 2 s 4.18 or 2.4 ɛde kɔ 4.18 a ɛma ɔmo ho kwan sɛ ɔmbɛtwe waso kɔ ebi yɛ mandatory requirement ebi yɛ discretionary na saa mandatory requirement no saa wɔ 5 duties no ɔmo hu sɛ wɔ breach bi ɛyɛ reporting duty record keeping duty complying with immigration rules complying with the wider UK law and ensuring sɛ wɔ conduct ɛnyɛ repugnant ti saa 5 duties no ɔmo ba na ɔmo hu sɛ wɔ breach bi a na ɔmbɛtwe waso ɛne na ɛma ɔmo suspend the license no eti ɔmo suspend the license na ɔmo ma 20 working days sɛ respond na wɔ response no ɔmo bisa for nneɛma bi ɔmo bisa proof of hierarchy contract of employment contract sɛ wɔ adwuma proof sɛ adwuma no ɛyɛ genuine proof sɛ wo issue certificate na wodi mmara no a ɔmo ahyehyɛ no so nti yɛsi obiara na wɔsɔ nya 70 points ɛwɔ sɛ ɔwɔ English language ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn wɔyɛ sponsored a license holder ɛwɔ sɛ ɔ earn at a relevant rate saa de ne nyinaa no ana ma no 70 no ebio wayɛ sure sɛ addresses ne nneɛma ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔ no biribiara yɛ 2.25 ana 2.26 ɛsɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wɔyɛ sure sɛ adwuma no a wɔyɛ no won't supply labor but we overall no we in charge of input outputs and outcome. Naturally, say when you care agency and a recruitment agency, I will supply labor. Labor supply no allowed under 2.24 and 2.25. But I will supply our labor no. Still no, I was say we are in charge and you have to be in total control and have responsibility for inputs, outputs, and outcomes. Now, we contract with that people, I will say statey. So we still no responsibility no. So when you way na omo ba eno na ema omo take sa action. So you suspend your license. Ade mean say wuntimi en recruit foforo under the skilled migrant route. But omo ye adwuma ma wo no, omo betimi akoso aye adwuma. Omo apply for visa no. Yen ma omo visa yet on between. So wo kromo ha. Omo apply for visa e wo Ghana no. Ombe refuse omo visa no. Mr. Muntie step by step approach no. Na you very key say you be saa nneɛma we because sɛ yɛnte wei n'ase a ɛma yɛnte nneɛma bi ase ɛbɛha yɛn enti sɛ wo sponsor no ne license no yɛ suspended a wobe sɛ woanya wo visa a wobɛtumi atu kwan aba UK wobɛtumi astarte w'adwuma sɛ wowɔ UK ana woyɛ adwuma ama no dada a wobɛkɔ so ayɛ adwuma obiara ɛnhaw sɛ wo apply for extension and now I apply for visa ewo Ghana. So who UK a yenye decision on between who Ghana you be refuse your application. Sir, we obia ya downgrade wo sponsor na because me can say suspension, downgrade, revocation. So ya downgrading from A to B ya obekoso aye adwuma ma no. Ya ma visa ubetimi etu kwan aba so wo ha dada ubetimi akoso wuntimi enye extension because ontimi recruit bio until say obe free B no akọ A but ye revoke license na mesramo that is the end of the game. Now a very serious action and both reputational damage and also no well so no affected possibility of recruitment for at least 12 months wouldn't mean yet application bill. It is a year Juma ma will be near ye revoke the license now. Naturally say I will say ujai a Jumano. So when Jaya went to me and to a Jumano so was 60 days. What the bay near ma me by betchery. Pansana may do 60 days no. Mama may explain it. So we call online na who sponsor no wo and no nkyerɛ say ya general license. And no nkyerɛ say ya general license. Ade a kyerɛ no say bia omo ye investigation into ya suspending the license no. Into ontime nje nkrofo foforo. Ba omo ye adwuma no de mo be koso aye adwuma. Adwuma na mo ye no ebe count towards more settlement. And now say you're downgrading from A to B. And also ontimi and sponsor will be because ontimi sponsor no omo yine free omo list of sponsored way no 2 say only ho. And now say you revoke. And this who call online now sponsored anywhere and just say you revoke the license. No. It could be one of 3. You're suspending no. Omo you're suspending the do na omo license in the back. Because the suspension, no, it takes about a month to 2 months. So almost year investigation. Now, some investigation now almost year no. What we year juma no? I found because I was so yeah I say almost entity and challenge revoke suspension now. It be lead to revocation. So lead to revocation. Won't even year juma I was so free. But say I deny the man of baka. Obit me akoso a recruit. Now, where I'll be who send it you're suspending the license and now you're revoking the license. I a sponsor list. It is a skilled migrant sponsor list. So when you nipa ni dia, ubeti media shim, no a check it, no a share. So nipa no eda so wa. So ni wa na abia you're suspended. 60 days I had amount and started from time wono wabaya aware and started from time omuji free in sem. But your case be a friend of pattern. So pattern case, as the Secretary of State with duty, say or suspended license, or revoke license, or bebo obia or ye juma money panina, or bebo mama immediately within a reasonable time. And that is a Supreme Court decision of the case of Pathan. On Kase, almost 60 days. But also obebo amane immediately. However, so we share Home Office guidance notes. Your friend, employees, if your sponsor loses their license, guidance notes. The latest one, 23rd of December 2023. Omachro wom say was sponsor no losing a license, who was 60 days. Yes, you from the case of Pankina. Say guidance notes or what? And he said a reduce or right, but it may increase or right. All those immigration rules in your intro say your revoke license now was 60 days. Because of the case of Pankina, say your revoke license, not guidance notes, say who was 60 days. Home Office in Timinka say your 60 days. And Tiniama me no maka. Case of Pathan, Supreme Court case. Assess a revoke license now, I was buying bower money immediately. Guidance no say a revoke license now, I was buying mouse 60 days. And Tisaniama 2, so buying bower money now with 60 days and started. This is where makers say, Mobile very careful because some American a legal interpretation. The inference from the case of Pathan, they say, I was buying a bower money. And a Home Office said, your boa mania over 60 days. No, your revoke over 60 days. And it is a Supreme Court said, I was say your boa mania. Near boa mania. The inference and they said 60 days, and started until say a boa mania. The only problem they say we need email, I want the boa mania. We need lawyer, we need address on boa mania. Case ni say omo betimi di ato file na ye the two files so ne ambo amania it is as equally as good say ambo amania maka niema bebre maka Supreme Court maka Court of Appeal maka guidance notes maka High Court very complex ma try say me breaking it down e wo twi mu me ka bro for back. But the problem is because I am very complex, always, so who was our issue now when a solicitor, qualified solicitor, and casa. Because our qualified solicitor, onuna oba bechero, say Pathan, apply, Pankina, apply, guidance notes, apply, Yamau notice under Pankina, and I am notice under Pathan. Because se me me argument ebia obi ye adwuma ma Abacus Care Company. Yaje Abacus Care Company license free nsem. Abacus Care Company ammo na wusu amane. Na wusu akoso aye adwuma ma Abacus Care Company 70 days. Echire na wusu te se Abacus Care Company ye revoke the license by 2 months ni. Na wusu enya adwuma foforo or your application because in the biometric card still the time also on call online ko check it. Adwuma foforo a wanya no ono nso anya ne due diligence because ye the due diligence obehun se the card na ye twem online. Ono nso afa no na wusu your application e call Home Office. Home Office say boy Abacus no ye gene license free in 70 days ago. Say na mo mbo mama ne almost say there be ya general license no ya je over 60 days guidance no say over 60 days 70 days ni into time na twem into we no ye illegal into new application a why na yem fa ma I want to be the BWF for the back catcher say there be Case of Pankina, say your revoke license now over 60 days. Case of Pathan, I say, I was buying a boamania immediately. Sir, 60 days no, but immediately now, Supreme Court decision, I am binding. Because I am binding, no, Home Office decision no only starts from time I'll be aware. Home Office say me new address and I'm new email. Also, what prove actually almost say we have application, no, almost send email, and you almost email. At that point, we bet me administrative review and a judicial review. The problem with the judicial review in the case of Patan, they say, where I am patently unfair, no, we need right under judicial review. Those are the typical legal issues in here. Make us, what's our problem now? Mr. Omen Coquine Chain, I'm a being juicy candy. Per qualified solicitor. No, wow. Name break it down because issues now may reason. I am so complex, a lawyer pet and a bit me a solve. 80 me bono tofa the American say over 60 days, ubet me a compare juma for ubet me a switch aye a kum ana a yere. Wa ubet me a beer with juma now I apply. Because so be with juma now apply ubet me aye innovative na innovator visa. The other one, microphone shed and shed, and so say, ubetimi a switch it and be dependent. The only problem is so open we student. The only time I bet my students is I was apply from outside. I remember it won't mean switching for your student. These are the dire consequences. So obi and share license year at the back. And for the past few months, you're so busy, sir. Home Office actions need be taken. Almost illegal. Because one actually say information be a one, a chance what you man win you suspend your license. But first of all, equity and natural justice demand this. So we'll suspend your license because of the business repercussions. I was say we are sure so we'll follow due process. Due process includes fair hearing. Fair hearing includes money panel information. And it's also my suspended license because of BB Amate. And if I webra for webra. Now we see BB Awate no evidence. Now when disclose evidence. Now that itself is against natural justice. And in Tina Bono, Kokone said, so we will issue, we will care company, we will skilled worker route, we will business. Now, unya letter say you suspend your license now immediately per solicitor, experienced solicitor, no more. Men saying kase it will go away. Men kase or charge me sika kesiye intimate because some online 2 high court cases are mabodi. Bako employees are affect you 820. Bako employees are affect you 82. It is very, very significant. That is why I was saying, you share near whom say ya mau notice 60 days, I start here. 60 days and start here in accordance with the case of Patan and Pankina. Prophet, aha, and I'm a bonnet tougher. Name question be what a bar you be boy was. Medawase.
Emo, papa, why ye nyina na se ene Deborah beba. Na ansana Deborah ebeba na mabie phone lines, no. And me say during the course of our update, what can be about remote working concerning the visitors visa. And the obi the question be abaha or say if a journalist from Ghana with a visitor's visa reporting or broadcasting from London to Accra be considered remote working? You may consider as a remote working, Anna.
Remote working, no necessarily. We are journalist or waha, but a Juma Nankasa or Ghana, a Juma Neha. We are Juma Rainbow Radio London. We are Juma Rainbow Radio Ghana. Say adwuma na wo ya ma na Rainbow Radio Ghana. Now we are virtual and now remotely under the new visitors dispensation. No, I started and then we are qualified. So because I say
All
yes,
right.
be back under that.
Okay. Emo, wait there. Ochiami aweni masenka. Ose nana wasuma ochiami anim asem aka. Ose nana wasuma enti onia odi question ba yemi se wati sane ya papa atrɛtrɛ nneɛma mu kama yentu Amerika enkofa Deborah Emra na yeba yɛde telephone lines no ebegu hɔ na yɛbue na kyerɛ sɛ nea wopɛ sɛ wobisa papa bia no wabisa me wonsɛm baako mmienu bibisa no ba yɛnkɔfa Deborah Emra yɛdi Deborah eba no na yɛkae wo sɛ number yɛde yɛ adwuma no ɛyɛ 0208 133 4646 and that's 0208 133 1134 and that's 0777 1950 989. Deborah Mimawakwaba, you are welcome.
Thank you very much, Prophet. So today we looked at the topic of what should I do if my skilled worker sponsor's license is revoked. So the skilled migrant route, how it works is that you have to meet the 70 points threshold. So the Home Office guidance states at the 70 points and how you're supposed to basically achieve this. So it includes the English language test, for instance. So if you don't meet the 70 points, it means you do not meet the eligibility requirements. So when will Home Office revoke or downgrade or suspend a sponsor's license? Well, it can come about in one of three ways. So one, if the sponsor no longer wants their license. Two, if Home Office have looked through the sponsor's work, their compliance system, they may decide to revoke. However, the first thing that they will do is to suspend the license. They then give you 20 working days to respond, and within this time period that you'll be asked to provide certain documentation, for instance your contract of employment. Suspension means you cannot recruit more people under this route. Those that are working may continue to work. So if somebody is applying for a visa from outside the UK when the sponsor's license has been suspended, they're likely to refuse you. If they have downgraded your license from A to B, those that are here already working may continue to work. Again, if you have been given a visa, you can still come and work, but you cannot make an extension application. Revocation is the more serious effects. So everyone is affected. It's a very serious action due to reputational damage, and also it affects your possibility of recruitment. So if your sponsor's license, or you're working for somebody whose license has been revoked, you will have to start working for that person, and you have 60 days to act in accordance with case law, so the case of Pankina and Pathan. So you have 60 days from the time you were notified that the license had been revoked. Home Office has a duty to notify everybody working under a person whose license has been revoked. So what happens within that 60 days? Well, you have a number of options. You may go and get a different job. You can also switch to perhaps the family route. You can even switch to become a dependent, but there's options available to you. It's just you need to seek for professional advice from an experienced lawyer, so you don't end up in a situation you don't want to end up in. So that's my little contribution for today's topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Deborah. Unyamiadum Deborah de Poto Kasano Abishiagum Edi Bibiegu for Mama ye kama. Enti anopai Shannon son yene lawyer Bernard Owusu ye friend Uncle Ben. Ena anopai yene no abi babai and seunumu na odiama wakachiro se ye invoke wo we na wo license na nenkyerɛ sɛ awieye aba o se ye wo emra e wo se ye de ma wo na emra no yanka nkyerɛw na ye se ya invoke a o license no ye nya invoke ye nya revoke ye because na wonim yanka nkyerɛw nti fiti mra ya ka nkyerɛw no saa time no e na e hyase yenkoti ofrefo me ba cho me ma wache e ma wakwa aba e badwumadi so
Macho me Joseph Prophet.
ohene me das amo
But Maxim said, let me tell the lawyer Ben. I can let me be say, Madam will be or buy or the skilled worker buy, but your man is 60 days. And see, Siciano, the boyfriend will be room and student with no, but obey me switch it. Acquire the boyfriend independent and I say on to me.
Ohene sana mu nyina mo nim ne start here na ma update from the 1st of January. Students for intimi for dependent mba. Saa na TSS student intimi for dependent wo ha. I just said oye PhD, doctorate, and I said postgraduate research program. That is the only way of betting
you. Okay. That's it.
Yes, straight kra. Why? Nyami shiraw. We dey straight kra. Me pa cho me ma wache e mo akwa aba e badwumadi so.
Good morning.
Morning ohene.
On a lawyer. Pacho, a friend Frank.
Yes. Nana mananko lawyer itio.
Pacho mpese a lawyer Uncle Dick. You look at her because in the no or mode care dependent on the buyer no. Ombe do no. Omo me no ebi nya adwuma ana de oye adwuma so a obi anam ne baabi na we bi sa say dey so na edu so mu ni a ebi timi de aba that
say meti wasem no mu yi a o ka omo de ke na aba as dependent no ebi no mu enya adwuma na omo ye adwuma no so no mo nhye da nhunu so yi because omo ye de omo aba no nhye da nya adwuma ma omo enti se omo we no ewu a ekwan ben so no mefa renew sa na opese wo kire
but omo dependent ne de ye adwuma a bi o ko onim ba bia ni kura na yere nam nam just say ewu a 2 years 3 years no so na ewu a dependent no na do mbi tia yo mbe renew.
Okay yo papa be you ano
ohene sa wo ha na wonim baby a oyira na wukun wo na minim de nti a obekoso atwan 2 or 3 years 4 years na waka se minhunu nti de bia ya meka se nyame che ye nyina nyansa obia enti se wo waba ha 1 month 2 months 3 months 1 year wonim baby a wukun ana wo yire wo a na wo san akoso atwan a na wonim se wo betimi asweche na mo wo nsweche na wo bekoso atwan a na time no du na obo asensa ende na na wusu me de bibia ni wa betimi aye the advice ne say obi o wa ha bia no o ehye wo ye worker wo ye employer wo ye ehye in fact sa revocation is say na mo so na bae na mo so ana wonim ade a de kofa bae ebi ni sen mo ye kona fast bi wa adwuma mu ho na home office ho enti we decide say wo adwuma a wo ye no enye genuine vacancy na je say wo na na mo so na de bae ye twe adwuma run aso a wo so ye betwe waso wo ni wonya 60 days ni bi ye beji wa de na free enti mesramo uma ye nyina nhye no so adwuma no bebre wo ho sana obi kọ adwuma mu bi na openkoso a otimi free ho kọ ba bi foforo saa na wo adwuma bi na wonya nkoso wonya wa awesa wo ya na wo de nsa ahye wo demri fam na NHS everyday bia mekọ bia no mehu almost 15 16 17,000 vacancies na wo de wo se wo de wo nkọpa do bi nye na wo nsa ahye wo demri fam se wo ya fasting and prayer say ade a enkoso year no in the next year na bia na akoso yi tu betena wa when you're careful, na ye abaye, Ghana, minim se muni my dear friend abaye, na ebi power, na ye kohwe pay slip ni unse wo mu kra no, oba ye adwuma no wo no wonye. Na mo won kopɛ obi foforo a, na ne wo ne ye betwe waso. Ɛyɛ important say ye nyina ye betwe.
Dependent ni yɛ adwuma so a ɛno so bɛha adwene.
Ɔhene say nye dependent no na ye de visa no ma no. Ana enti ono no any problem. Ono once waba no, say main person na ye de visa na ma no no. Say na de ne ye adwuma a ɔkɔ adwuma. Ono nso dependent no betimi akɔ adwuma. Na dependent na ato na dwen mu me de me hu me ku me hu me yire. Na mmom me metimi ye adwuma ntimi kɔ so ayɛ adwuma. Ɛne na mɛka sɛ entwa ɛwɔ sɛ wo yɛ sure sɛ wo ku ana wo yire ɛwɔ. Enti mesrɛ mo paa mehu bebree yetu ye ho fo. Aya me ba so a me mpɛsɛ mɛkasa bebree because home office baby omunya omo intelligence ɛyɛ kokonsan yedi. Ɛyɛ obi ba ye gina no. Ɛyɛ omo ready adwuma bi. Ɛyɛ omo investigate sponsor. Ɛyɛ wonam ne akyew wanya issue. Wakoye bibi ɛwɔ care ho wa mo ya interview. Wano anko yie. Mesrɛ mo yɛfrɛ bibi yɛfrɛ no good and effective witness. Ɛnyɛ ye nyina na ya no ate. Enti eni sɛ wode wo ho kɔhyɛ bibi abɛma home office for azum wo na yebisa o questions. Wanyɛ careful a workers and temporary workers guidance for sponsors no. Niema a yɛahyehyɛ wɔ hɔ especially yɛba S7 and yɛba S9 a extension a wanyɛ careful a wontimi enye bi. Ti wonim sɛ ne no wohu ku ne oyere a start to anamo sɛ mie mu no minim sɛ metimi aswitch. Nti wo so switch na wo so bɛyɛ wo ho saa hene. Meda ase bebree.
Emo papa yɛda wase ne nkyirimu a wode aba ɛno nti na de bia na mebɔ ho dawuru ka kyerɛ atiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ a ɔmohwɛ yɛ sɛ yɛwɔ nneɛma a yɛde gu bedroom ɛne yɛwɔ nneɛma a yɛde gu living room. Ɛno nti mempɛ me ho asɛm nti me se anɔpa yi fa telephone number yi na frɛ. Nsɛm no bi wɔ hɔ a kɔ na wo ne nana ɛnkɔtena ase na mombaebae mu ɛyɛ 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Emergency number no 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Me pacho me mawachi ema wakwaba eba jumadi so.
Perfect. No, I think I'm to be in fact.
Me pacho kasa nana 80. Nyame asirae.
My question is in terms of IHS na costrol. Na nko bene ka say bit my application and it's na ya postpone biometrics now.
Yeah.
Na yen fan obi a ne de be December. And fine, a first question.
Oyene ɛhɔ no breaki kakra. O se yɛn fa no then.
Obia need be December of this year. Into the application in now you postponing biometrics now every month or two until December now. Okay.
Oyene say wa unim say question I will be say. Unim answer. Where then I will December we postpone it from February. Say not possible, sir. Because all your application now only a short period, 40 days, I also will enroll biometric. And the American no. So we have paragraph 34 of the immigration rules. I say valid immigration application. I say valid immigration application includes someone who has made an application through the approved route, use the approved system, paid their fees, paid their IHS, and enrolled their biometric. Until one enroll, now postpone until December or problem. This is where my advice no bem. My video tree and English. So we have application. O visa be 31st, ever the 30th of May. Why your application no ene? What your fee? What your IHS? Why your biometric enrollment no? And fancy end of February. What BT fee no? Who person BT the 6th? What your enrollment no? 1st of March. Why didn't we? I come more than 28 days or so. Now, law be anywhere. A say I was away our application no. Earliest I'll bet me 28. There's no law. However, in the guidance notes for partners and parents, family life, no, almost say the earliest I'll be to 28 days. But the case of Pankina say guidance notes, no, and law, intimi, NCCU. It is a law and prescribable BB a burden. Guidance notes need to be prescribable. Guidance notes no more benefiter. Home office intimi can say law and farmer. Into guidance notes no so 28 days ne immigration rule no nka into a burden amount. The only difference in say share immigration rules now. Yes say so we your application no now what time now aka we chire no for 28 days engu 2.5 years na be ma no enti why your application why didn't be June why in February wakọbọ nsa March my decision April aka 2 months the 1 month so 2.5 years no it doesn't affect anything where omo extension and your omo call for indefinite leave meaning the entire indefinite leave as because IHS na affected indefinite leave nti asem American emfa indefinite leave for efa omo extension person will be extra 1,117 now. Your application delay enrollment no, but enroll after the 6th of February. Or time I can wait no dear, any problem.
Okay, that's thank you. Now, second one is care workers route no. Omo mabem dada no. Na omo for most dependent in mind, especially the omo ma. Fla no. Omitting application possibilities omitting the mother before 6th of April.
Enti o share o follow ya. Ube say last month ye ka so omo wa hadada no affect you. However, law no omo de be call parliament March 11th of March. Sorry, law no on be call parliament February. E be start 11th of March. Minister no and the Secretary of State no both of them say care workers and senior care workers. My exception. There's no exception. Where my exception ne skilled worker route no air cut to 39,000 no almost say affect care workers. And nipa money speech no say in one breath one exception for scanner income na air cost no say affect care workers. Now also may restricted care workers and senior care workers some of you dependents beba. No one my exception. It tells me say as a lawyer no your friend be a friend no reasonable inference. And to follow logic why a philosophy da. Some now all cannot say exception be any. And no me asama me de here adwuma ya asama minister na kan 2 days ago. One my exception. To mo amwa hadada no. See you use minister na asama waka ndra na na say be affect you.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
Mo ohene yensu yeda ase. Me pa cho me ma wachi e mo akwa baba dwumadi so.
Yeah, dada.
Mo kasa nana etie.
Now, so dear, me pesa rebusa lawyer Bernard say me the dependent visa ne buy as the student dependent. Na me buy no me partner na one school no. And me baby dream and me new person or adopt and na me person me busa say a bit me aye.
But then our friend adoption. And then our friend adoption. Tell me.
Hello.
Papa ebisa wo say edien na wo frɛ no adoption no because I will say what the dependent visa ene baye o baye student no wanko school no eno nti obi say obe adopt papa ebisa wo say edien na wo frɛ no adoption no
na me papa bi si opese obe adopting na odimi aye ne ba
na o ye sure say adoption e frɛ no ana one wa create ubrofo na wo kan sa ye fan ko papa hoy papa wa be do ha ye betimi adopt no.
Well, first of all, we're 18, obi any ho be adopt. Say you asem no or can dependency. O ba ko mo wo de wo papa din egu applications. Wo kwa akoye fake birth certificate. E de papa for akɔhye so say papa we e ye wo papa. Won obi a wadi me hwɛ wo voice ma wadi more than 30. Na afi na wo birth certificate. O make say ye suspect you. Because wo ba no so papa your friend Bajo, what do you have?
32.
Washenkom, Papa.
Auntie, so no papa no ma be dey gusu a. E be no be akofa so oya no ba. So oya no extended family member in twemu 31st December 2020. Nti ohima anya possible why? We are dependent. Wo betimi aswitch. Ko pet be na switch. Why? Na baby how they call it the mo.
Actually.
Mami, me pacho o hifa. O landing ha.
Pacho de bingo MK.
O MK. Enye hwe to ekwan bra na be hunu papa say MK to landing there 1 hour.
Okay. Papa krabu bi bo bi dia when zero me pa.
Me pacho into the memody ahaye me pese oba na obi hunu papa. What you say? Oh, say nsema papa kan nyina no kire se bibi wa kire betimi aye eninti bra ne yenhwe papa number ankasa na mede ma no 077
pacho me wo pacho
ene wasem awie koi bye bye me pacho me ma wachi emu akwa ba ebadwumadi so
mejo so prophet na dia aye wona me ya kai prophet.
Oh. Na me pa cho adwuma no ma chicha ma na so obi aso akatu college ne mapon.
Enya me de ono me aka yo ma men koma sem so kutre. Na edi ka ma men fanchas kese ma senior partner Aura Bernard. Pro ma ono so kra ma men ma no Apostle Bernard Owusu. Me koma sem so no. We die me bo. We die me nkasa me ba. Na wo ye kai bi. Na signal bi akọ omo adwuma no ho se omo pese omo ji omutumi ene se ne di adwuma nanim afa nipa no wajije sika everywhere mo ho na se me ba no ye bisa no se ana investigation course wa on pese ye bisa no se nokore omo ji bibi free ni ho ana omo ji bibi free ho bibi aso de di adanse se de wodi anim fa nipa ko adwuma ho o ji sika firi wo bia ho enti e bisa se on ka nokore so o mo koro ho se o mo ko bisa no on ka nokore se ampa ye ji firi mi ho na ono kra na de kra worst case kra so ne se information na nipa no a wodi anim no wonti no wodi obi sa kra so e kan ho e ma sa nipa kro no ya mfa ma no ni nyina no wonim nipa kro no ba bi ne passport ho se onim tese nipa kro woni determined no kon o yensa ti se omo bisa na won ka no kore se ampa ye je ni sta
openi ukwasinya wu bisa idie ukwasinya wu bisa idie lawyer entiment na aha enka nchiro se kan kra na se nka no kra because ono na adwuma no o ye genuine work na me cannot ase o ye genuine work enti ebe ya mumuku appointment na munku hunu bibi wo mo obekire why very important. Lawyer cannot justify that. Second, and say men can because wokwa e was bisa when sembi no hunu ekwanya e fa so a ebia oba no e ma nipa ni sika anase say what in your mention say then from hono he stand the chance to advise but a high won't mean to say Obanan can correct and as one can correct. It's against his principle of office. All right, Medasi.
So
You
Medasi.
bye. Mbacho no credit no credit back upe uka no are free. Me bacho me ma watching emo akwaba we me last caller.
Good morning, Prof.
Morning, sir.
Paul, the Caterpillar lead. Now, with the Kevin saying from what Kakana, me person me pizza lawyer.
Fabra.
Me be a sticker. Edema company this amount to it. Yeah, application and unfortunately, my revoking license. And it say no, I refuse it. So the first year, me person me when it say a fine be war make me a farmer so a company no akwa Jimmy Sika. And I say second one is in situations like this, you know, and more lawyer maybe intimidate appointment
We dey say papa be ma me 1 minute na nka me fa mpem no papa ansa na nka waba mu mesrew papa enkasa yemu no wa dan niema bi adi a kyerɛkyerɛ ekwan a ɛwɔ sɛ home office faso ansa na ya revoke we no but between you and nkrofo na ya revoke license no me pacho there is a technicalities in it adie bia ɛyɛ asɛm no emrada ho na me cannot ase eninti sani american ka kyerɛ ye brada no ha ye kwan ho sebi kafra che se wo mo ehwie gu abo mu a ne tase ye din papa wo mo ahwie gu abo mu da ne tase ye din wan hwe ya wuntimi ntase nwie enti ha ya abo mu je papa no mama me je papa no ma na book appointment na one papa nkotena ase me pacho office line 0208 493 office line oh okay je papa number na book appointment nako why for office line no kro benya papa why 077 127 61884 emo afi mema papa kwan papa will be can fa wa semi ho obeka no quick no the na semi twa to aba na odifo madweni bishop elect ene me preachi wo bi ayi ase papa wadaroma
yo prophet and menuya of Frey. First of all no so we skilled worker application wo fee bi a utia e bi ISC immigration skills charge so enye care ubitia IHS immigration health surcharge sa niema mienu no omo refund niema mienu udi boma ebitimi adu 4,000 kra as a first one. Two, ebia na wo case no akopi lawyer wajewo from 1,000 edeko what they count 4,000 no ho na eko 5,000 yechire minim ska wutia minim se wutia ma agent na wutia ma obia but sa ska wutia no say health care or immigration skills charge no o me refund wa de ama say 5 years almost 2,000 plus and is car ebeba ho say court lawyer no ho a was a lawyer na de ma a court care ni ho a was so do sika ma and no dey me confident say is car ebeba ho acha 40 days no do sika bro there were chire no minim contract we ni pana sign minim dwumadi oyema so kotua o plain fair so tua lawyer sika so okoto bi before from out I have no idea. The debia make a chirobia na say yawo BWF no implied terms of a contract. Implied terms. So contract no nye against public policy and are fraudulent. So implied terms no. Say mo sign and I mon sign no ewo ho. But say contract no against public policy. Bibi to say contract say yenkobo adwaman. And our contract say yenkobo kro no. Against public policy. Until we me enforce our contract. But say will be your agent, no assign contract. Say me be prepare. Match now send your interview. Na me fee ni no aju fee na. Almost impossible. So be just kind of free. It may be unconscionable. It may be morally wrong. It may be unfair. But implied terms of the contract, or no higher offer, and I will accept the offer. No. Into what consideration our de man no, and then the value our tia man no. Sometimes near may be wo and ko here, aya yina ye ninja. Sana profo kano, opa bra, near he, baby, I bet me aji, usika na wo home office no hona mount. And I say, before for honsoa, you know, Becca. I hope, sir, we a comma obia.
Papa, I mean, men pesa se mun be tintinti ene metwa so because say BBC e wo nipa mienu ntemu a eye mmara ene ye de settle enti bra na papa nhwem contract ben na wo eye verbal eye written say agreement ne te sen na papa chiri mu akireo ha ye betimi aye ha ye ntimi nye ha ye ni se be yi ha ye ni se enye yi odofo medawase se ene woni me atenase from 9 abesi samri unim say ya me di biti so na mapon be ye 11 enso enne me nsakura nti wo se metu America na me kohwe amanfo nso de ede ma wo enti papa mfa ncheme wo nso fa cheme se enne no ye ntimi amfa nkwa akiri bibre ba menim se esomu bi a ye de abre obi ano ya somu wiye enti hye no nso opese okọ office na okohunu papa number no eye 0208 493-7340 0208-493-7340 and that's 077-127-61884 077-127-61884 na papa asuyeye any 4th floor Anna house 4th floor Anna house and I'll be BWF Solicitors, 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218, Tottenham High Road, 7 Sisters, landing N15 4NP, landing N15 4NP. Your car park what ye easy. Tesco car park one I'll be using 90 minutes free. Na etresa with them. Na upie free underground honswa exit 2 upia free exit 2 no ano na wugina building nanim enti mema papa ema na asem a etwato emre na afi yem free afidiem ha enko papa meda ase
Yo prophet ne nuanom ne adofo issue na ya discuss and no very real the sremo say owo issue waba wonya adwuma mentena sema asonkyere no beto move on per adwuma foforo per NHS na switch 2 woni wukun aba na wo ye dependent ana wo ye yere wo ye dependent na wo na tesesa na krachi obisa no say 6 months hu ni ku move on per adwuma foforo na move on adwuma bebre e wo NHS ba me pese me ka e wo radio we nso so say community no omo wo license no majority edi omuhuni majority edi omuhuni omo wo license omu kura omo ba omo behwe mu booksum omo agiatum so mu bibi omo ye bia ye fenkyerem ye obi a ye hwe omo a omo hwe omo omo ba ho omo ageniema omo aka se omo bibi a ye fenkyerem enti kasa ye ka no eye kakra bi pe ana e cause problem no na because nipa na wo no dose no enti no eye significant enti wo issue a qualified solicitor na onhwe na on solve ko problems eye raise ni nyina eye solvable prophet nyame anhwe yen na dapena ebihia na ekire be kasa ewe ekire yeda ase
papa meda ase nyame enhyirawo ena papa di dwumadie ni nyina asi me paacho mo a mo frɛ no monko papa no line no so na mombisa appointment ni mfama number no ye 0208-493-7340 monko na yenkoji appointment ni free ho advert isi no wante menka odifo makraw me ko nyame enhyira wo nyame yɛ adom a da sɛ nnɛ yɛbɛsɛn ahyia bye bye.
This is our Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884.